Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to remall, and here we'll go to different stores and we'll record it. I decided to record this because I saw a White Wednesday sale, and I have never heard about White Wednesday sale, to be honest. I only heard about Black Friday or White Friday. So I decided to record this to see what do we have in White Wednesday sale. Let's begin. Now let's begin with Max. Here there's gonna be 20 to 60% offer. Let's see what do we have here for good price. Stay tuned and don't skip or else you'll miss a lot of things. Keep watching. Wait, are those summer clothes? Um, it's cold, right? Uh, Whatever. I think they sure have some really good winter clothes too. There are also footwear here for kids and of course for adults as well. And I guess these are the winter ones. Long sleeves. Yep, these are winter dresses. Not that one. Those are shorts. Not good for winter. But these are all winter clothes here. Jackets, sweaters. Finally found them. Superman dress. I like that one. And by the way, red is my favorite color. So, good dress. Now let's go to another store. And this is Red Tag. I was planning to record this store as well because the collection looks really good here, but due to crowd, I was not able to do it. It was problematic, so let's move on to another store. Shoe Arena. Here also good shoes collection, but I could not record as there were a lot of ladies and we were not allowed to record that. So the next store we are going to is Center Point. Here we will most probably be able to record because it's a really large store, so we can do it. Now the nearest to the entrance is the ladies section, and here we have a lot of shoes, slippers, good looking that too, purses, bags, a lot of things. And the collection is really good. Shoes and bags, even the ones made out of leather, are here. These are the small bags. I don't know what you call them. Of course, I don't know that. I don't know, clutch or something. I don't know. These are the gent shoes. Almost over, I guess. A lot of people bought those shoes. And these are luggage bags. Really good ones, different types of them and different size of them. And there are also Skechers shoes for sale. I really like Skechers shoes, they're really comfortable. There are also cups and a lot of other things for sale like furniture, decoratives, and also traveling pillow. Yep, those things are really important while traveling. There are also clocks, decoratives, and even lamps. My favorite one is the peacock one, which will be coming shortly. Yep, that peacock one is my favorite, really nice looking. We also get books, only for 5 real, pretty cheap, good looking books. Water bottles too. And that's it. We are done with our shopping. The sale was really good. There were good offers, and if you wish, you can go and check it out yourself. The location will be in the description below or even tagged in the title. Now, just getting something to eat before we leave. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.